What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today we're gonna take a look at this KHLOE Kardashian look. You requested it a lot on my Instagram DM, so today I'm gonna show you how to recreate this look using only your smartphone and the free Lightroom app, as always. And of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look for you guys if you wanna save some time, not toggle along to the whole tutorial. It's linked under this video, and you can download it from my all presets pack. And in that pack, there's over 200 presets that I created for you to easily paste to every one of your pictures. But the cool thing about this all presets pack is that every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated to the pack. So you just have to get it once and you'll get a growing presets pack, which is a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And if there's anything you need from me, any questions you have or ideas for new videos, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StephenWommack is my handle, and I'm always really excited to hear from you guys. And I will reply as fast as I can, so feel free to do that. Now I've said enough, let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open our picture in the free Lightroom app. Now I've chosen this picture here, another picture of KHLOE in front of a white wall, and I think it's taken with a mobile phone. So the first thing we're going to do is go to lights down here and go to curve on the upper right side, and I want you to recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. So on the bottom left side, we pull up the shadows a little bit and then create that really smooth S curve towards the upper right side. You can screenshot this and really make sure to come as close to this curve as you can. Once we have this, we're done here. We want to boost up the exposure to plus 0.1 right here, and the contrast up to plus 34 right here. The highlights we want to pull down to negative 27 or 28 right here. The shadows we want to boost up to plus 19. Pull down the whites to negative 66 or 65, and the blacks down to negative 30 right here. 31 is good too. Then we go over to the colors tab, and we just want to boost up the temperature to plus 7 right here, or 8. The saturation down to negative 16 in this case right here. And then we scroll up, hit the color mix on the upper right side, and for the red tones we just want to boost the hue up to plus 14 to make the skin tone a little more of a yellow vibe. We're at plus 15 here, that's good too. And then we go to the orange tones, pull down the hue to negative 5 and leave the saturation at 0, but pull down the luminance to around negative 13 right here. Then we are already done with the mix. We go over to the grading tab. Here we want to pull the shadows to a hue of around 212 and a saturation of, in this case, 28 is perfect right here, or 27. And then of course we go over to the midtones here, pull the hue to 48 and the saturation up to around, I'd say 12 is perfect. We're not going to change the highlights, so we're done here. And then we go over to the effects tab. Here we just want to boost up the texture a little bit to around plus 18 right here, and pull down the clarity to negative 12, and the dehaze all the way down to negative 15 right here. And of course we want to add some grain, so we boost that up to around 29, and we are done here. And once again, this is it. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to this new faded, filmy KHLOE Kardashian look. I hope you're happy with the result. Of course, I've created a preset on exactly this look. If you want to save some time, the link is under this video. You can download it from that all presets pack with over 200 presets that you can easily paste to every one of your pictures in the free Lightroom app. And the cool thing about this all presets pack is that you just have to get it once, and you'll also get all the new presets that I'm going to do on this channel. They're automatically updated, so it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if there's anything you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StephenWommack is my handle. I'm open for suggestions, new video ideas, all that kind of good stuff, so feel free to just contact me there. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and of course, thank you so much for watching this video today, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.